Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can schedule Reels in Facebook Creator Studio. If you want to schedule Reels on Facebook and Instagram using Facebook Creator Studio, then you are at right place. So this is the link, and I'm going to put this link in the description as well. You simply have to uh, open this link, and then you have to select this platform Instagram. Okay, make sure your Instagram page is connected with your Facebook profile. Then you have to click on create, and here you will see this option Reels. Simply click here. Here you will see all the pages you have, all the Instagram accounts you have. So I'm going to schedule a video on this page, so I'm just going to click here. Then you will see two options: video posts are now shared as Reels. So these are the three requirements. Your account is public, so anyone can discover your video and use your original audio to create a reel. Simply you have to click here if you have the content. I'm going to just select a content which I'm going to schedule it. Here I'm going to just write the description. This is a description I'm going to write, and then I'm going to do one thing more, is I'm going to, okay, the tag option is not available, so you have to mention the user in the caption. Okay, this way you can mention it just tapping it. Now you have to click on here on this arrow, and here you will see the option schedule. You simply have to click here, then select the time you want to schedule. I'm going to schedule it on 24 25 02 12:30, or you can say 00:30. Okay, and now you can click on schedule. So you will see this notification, your post is being scheduled, and after few seconds your post will appear here. Okay, if you don't see the post here, just simply click here on this icon. So in this way you can schedule your content on Facebook Creator Studio if you want to schedule Reels. Hope you like this little tutorial. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question, do let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.